Sony a6400 review. The $1,000 camera that outsmarts your $3,000 rig? Not clickbait. Kinda. Let's face it, nothing kills your vibe faster than unreliable gear. You press record, and bam! Focus drifts off like your motivation. Lighting's perfect, your subject's on point, but your current camera? It's fighting you. From laggy autofocus to weak battery life, blurry images, and a screen that doesn't even flip, you're out here trying to create magic with equipment that can't keep up. You're spending more time troubleshooting than storytelling. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or weekend warrior with a dream, it's exhausting when your tech becomes your biggest creative block. You deserve better. And it's time to demand it. It's more than annoying, it's damaging. Those missed shots? That's a lost client. That shaky footage? Bye-bye viral potential. That out-of-focus vlog? Your audience swipes away in 3 seconds flat. And the stress? It's creeping in, slow and quiet. You start second-guessing yourself, your skills, your whole game plan. Over time, bad gear breeds burnout, and suddenly, your passion feels like punishment. You can't afford to waste another second editing around hardware fails. Deadlines are tight, the algorithm's cruel, and competition is savage. If you're not leveling up now, you're falling behind fast. But what if the fix wasn't another expensive body upgrade? Enter the Sony Alpha a6400 mirrorless camera, the APS-C powerhouse that punches way above its weight. With the world's fastest autofocus, 0.02s, yeah, blink and you missed it, real-time IAF, 425 AF points, 24.2 MP of crispy detail, and 4K video with full pixel readout, this compact beast doesn't just keep up, it leads. That 180 degrees flip screen? Vlog heaven. It's the kind of camera that makes you feel like a filmmaker, even if you're just filming your cat. Small, smart, and scarily fast, the a6400 doesn't ask you to be better, it helps you be better. This is your upgrade without the financial meltdown. So what's in it for you? Insane autofocus that locks onto your subject like it owes you money. High-speed 11 frames per second burst shooting that captures life in full motion. Crisp 4K video that needs zero postfix. Whether you're filming solo content, live streaming, or snapping portfolio-level stills, the a6400 adapts on the fly. No image stabilization? No problem, with fast shutter speeds and gimbals or tripods, you're golden. And that flip screen? Pure framing freedom. If you're ready for reliable, pro-level results without mortgaging your sanity, this is your green light. Hit the link, scroll the specs, and watch your content game level up. Thousands of creators are already winning with the a6400, and now, it's your turn. This camera isn't good for beginners. It's a weapon for anyone serious about content, creation, or career. Don't wait until it's backordered again. Don't fall into the trap of overpaying for bells and whistles you'll never use. The a6400 is proof that size doesn't matter, speed and smarts do. Inventory moves fast because this camera delivers. So act now. Grab the Sony a6400 while you still can, and unleash the creator you were meant to be. Because the shot of your life is just one press away, are you ready to capture it?